Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to my live stream. So in this live, we are gonna check out about the candy drops. So yesterday also we have sorry. So yesterday also we have checked about the candy drops. We gave you a detailed explanation about the candy drop. And this live also we are gonna check out same as like the candy drop activity. As the name is the project is different, which is NGO is the project. I will try to explain you about the MGO in this slide. So how the what the project was and how this is going to be, how you can get the free rewards from this. Everything we are gonna discuss in this live stream. So stay tuned with me and follow me if you're not it. Okay, so yes, all right. So, while I'm watching the stream in YouTube, you can join my Gate Live page where you're gonna collect some more USDT red packets. That every day I'm mentioning in the live itself to claim the red packets from my live, or that is Gate Live. Yeah, so if you still missed it, and you can join and claim it. Yeah, okay. So, what the candy drop activity means and what the MGO project. So, everything we are gonna see the full detailed analysis in this slide. And before and moving on to the topic, I'm not a financial advisor here to tell you that to invest here or not to invest here. I'm just guiding, and also I'm just sharing this opportunities available in a gate exchange, which will helpful for you to make your own decisions. That's why I'm sharing here. If you are wanted to invest anything, that make your own analysis, because I'm not guiding you to invest. Yeah, okay, because the risk is more in a crypto, so the high volatility is there. So just remember what are the risks we have in this crypto field. Yes, let's get started. Okay. So from the gate, here we have the candy drop option. From the yarn, you can see that candy drop option is there. So just by entering this candy drop, you can see the list of projects available here. And yesterday itself, we have talked about some more projects with it is gate. It is entered. And in this live, I'm gonna share about the NGO. candy drops. So the detailed explanation I'm gonna try to give you for this. So just stay tuned with me. I will try to share how much I can. Okay. கலைக்கனவினில் காதல் கொன்றை கண்விழித்தேனாவல் காணவில்லை கண்விழித்தேனாவல் காணவில்லை உன்னோடு என்னை ஒன்றாக்கும் வரை என்ன செய்யும் வரை தீரவில்லை என்னானுக்கு நீ கண்ணால மின்னலுமான காதலை கண்டாயா கருமை கொண்ட கண்ணோக்கி போய் சொல்லி நின்றாயா போதும் போதும் எனச் சென்றாயா யார் வந்தாலும் போனாலும் பெண் என்ன செய்வார் முத்தமிழை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தேராயா. So I will talk about the project so sooner. So just hold a moment. Okay, so as we are talking about this candy drop, so candy drop is a way you can enter this activity just by trading. So this task is full of trading. The candy drop, you can get the that is not a free candies. For completing the task, you're gonna get the candies as a reward. Just by collecting your candies, you can use the candies to receive your rewards from this activity. It is super easy to receive, and I think in this live we are gonna fully discuss how to get the candles and how to get participated in those candy drop and how to collect the rewards from this everything I would like to share in this slide. So stay tuned and try to leave your comments in my life so that I used to share the stuffs about this market condition as well the projects and whatever queries you have that you can ask me in the comments. Okay. காலை கனவினில் காதல் தோன்றி கண்விழித்தேனாவல் காணவில்லை உன்னோடு என்னை ஒன்றாக்கும் வரை என்ன செய்யும் வரை தீரவில்லை உந்தன் காதலை கண்டாயா தேவதை தேனிலாம் பூமிக்கு ஊர்வலம் வந்த Okay. So currently, the task which we are seeing here. So first thing to get the candy. So here you can see the candy is going to be reward for this activity. What they are trying to show you here is for the MGO price for futures trading, you have to do for the mentioned MGO token. If you complete this MGO trading in a futures and you are eligible to participate to claim those rewards, and actually they are offering you three tiers. So first tier, if you start the MGO futures trading, is not less than $30,000. If you complete it with the $30,000 of USDT, you're gonna get a single candy. And many people have inquiry what is the candy value, because the candy value may vary for each and every project. So if you are participating in a MGO, the reward, the candy which you are receiving as a MGO, not with the other tokens or USDT, nothing, that is you are not going to receive. You are going to receive as a MGO. That you have to be aware first. Okay. I will let you know what are the things you can remember first before entering into this. Yes, let's get started. So first we can also start our trade here. So we'll get into the spot trade. With the MTO, I will show you the MTO. and later on we easily get to discuss about it. So currently it's loading. Okay, so B2C, it's still in the sideways, and anytime it may give a breakthrough. Okay. So it's MGO, right? The token is MGO. Yeah, here it is, MGO. So this logo we can see, just identify the tokens, exact tokens by the logo. And here you can see that it's a sideways. The after get listed, the all time high of this is 0.03, and right now it's moving in $0.01, and it's a full of sideways, and not that much of selling pressure we have not seen here. It's very lesser amount of selling pressure. We are in a 4 hours time frame, and as well the 4 hours time frame will give you the easiest way to identify the market condition so easily. That's why we are into the 4 hours time frame. That in all my live streams I used to go with the 4 hours time frames, and still I'm going with that. Yeah, so here they are offering you for the tier one, if you complete in a futures trade of $30,000 worth of trade, if you've done with the MGO, and the reward you're gonna get is triple two MGO. Okay, so MGO price right now it's trading for $0.01, 0.01590 something. It's trading, right? We'll check out the value of triple two point two. Okay. Even triple two, we can simply take it as triple two. The reward you're gonna get is 3.53 USDT for this MGO. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay. Okay, so the reward is triple two. So the USDT calculation is $3.53. It's a worth of MGO they are gonna give you, and that's a first task, tier one. And if you complete the tier two task, which is $50,000 in a tier two in a future trade, that also in a future trade, if you complete this $50,000, you'll get three candles. And the worth of three candles is triple six MGO. Let's see the price of triple six MGO here. $10.59, but actually reward is too less when compared to the reward which we get for the BTC, because yesterday itself I have shown you how much of rewards you're gonna get for the BTC trading task. Even I would also like to share that too. I will show you, but I will show it later. Okay, so this is a tier two task. For tier one, you're gonna get $3.5. Just by completing tier two, you're gonna get the 10 point something dollars. And tier three, here you have a triple one candles. That is five candles you're gonna get just by completing $80,000, and the reward you're gonna get is not higher than $20. I hope so. Yeah, it's so lesser than $20 only if you complete. These are the futures. So making the volume, better volume is so easy from this, and that's my opinion with that. Okay, so this is the first task, and it's a futures task. You can see it's a futures task. Okay, and next we have a spot trading task also. Duncan, hi. Hold or sell? Actually, hold, because don't sell it. This weekend is going to be little bit sideways and fluctuation is going to be there. But if you sell right now, you may feel about the that is lots of regrets you're gonna face, because market is certain expectations are there at this time, because when it's beginning of July was happened, then we can see that bigger changes is expected from the market. So probably don't go for the selling, just wait. Okay, so currently, when the price are in a sideways, you can grab the opportunity, because the same kind of positions. I'm not sure whether we can expect it again or not. So whenever it's possible, just grab that opportunity. That I wanted to share. So hardly to everyone who wanted to take any positions. Okay. So currently, I'm looking forward with this task, which is spot trade, and the MGO they wanted you to start trade in a spot, which is one four double zero triple zero MGO. You have to trade. So that is the total tokens you have to finish off, and I will show you. Yeah, so here also we have the task, and the number of the amount of USDT is gonna be reduced just by trading in a spot, because we will use a leverage while making it into the futures, but here that is not possible. So with this task, the MGO spot trading task, we have the 5,000 USDT we have to complete here to get a one candy, which is the one candy worth is triple two of MGO token. And next we have a tier two. And this tier two, we can get 7,000 USDT. And sorry, we have to trade 7,000 USDT in a spot trading. And you're gonna get the three candles, and the worth is same as like for the futures trade. Whatever the task you got, reward you got with the futures trade, same kind of reward you're gonna get here too. And finally, there is a tier 3, which is MGO spot trade task, where we have to complete 10,000 USDT, and the reward as like same 5 candles. The reward is triple one one. That is the rewards you're gonna get. So more or less, for fully, when it comes to, if you complete 3 tasks in a futures, you're gonna get it's 10 27 and $30 on the spot futures trade as well. If you complete same as task into the spot, same $30 you're gonna get. So fine, totally you're gonna get the $60. Okay, just by completing both the spot and futures. So this is the thing you can currently keep to remember to get the rewards from this. Yeah, I hope you understood. Okay, so let me talk about the project MGO. Just hold a moment. We used to continue to talk this within a minute. Okay, let me continue with this MG. So these are the tasks available, and yeah, I missed to show you one more, which is Alpha Trading Share, which is 140000 MGO you had to trade. And here the candies may vary for this Alpha Trading. So only we have a two task. One is Alpha Trading task. There you have to trade the MGO on Alpha with the trading volume of not less than 100 USDT. Reserve one candy in the Alpha trade. So they have that is a separate trade for the alpha tokens. So here you can see, so here the alpha tokens you can start trade. Okay, so if you complete the alpha, so here the MGO you can search. Yeah, so MGO is here, so you can start trade the alpha tokens. Yes, of course, you can collect. That is not less than $100, so that you'll get a one candy, and worth is 228 MTO, which is not that much bigger. It's same equivalent to the price 3.5 or $3.6. That could be possible with that. And task two is a alpha trading task. So you have to trade MTO on alpha with a trading volume of 200 USD to receive the two candles there. So that two candles are worth the two candles are worth is 456 of MGO, which is less than $8. Okay. So these are the three tasks, and I will show you how to join this activity first. Okay, so as we have seen three types of um, that is earning from the just by completing the trade, like spot trade, futures trade, and alpha trade. That is a three kind of a trade we have talked. And what kind of expectations we have is most probably I'm expecting this to get nearly 60 to $70. You're gonna get 70 or $75 just by completing all these three tasks. You can get, but the investing amount is too bigger. That you have to remember. Try to make your own analysis before entering and investing. So if you wanted to participate here, first you need to register. This is gonna end in 2 days. So before that, just register and complete if you wish. So here's a join button. I have registered for this activity. My registration was successful. You can see. So now I can able to trade. Because before not joining this activity, don't do the NGO trade. Because if you joined, then you can start. If you started very earlier before registering, means you are not going to get the rewards. So if you want the rewards, just register first and then complete the task, and that is important to receive your rewards. Okay, just remember to complete the registration. Okay, so let's get started with the website, and we'll see about the project analysis, because we have talked many things about this candy drop, and full details about the candy drop I used to share. And right now we can talk about this project site. It's still loading. We'll wait for it. Double A hat, hi, welcome, bros. G Chintan, hi, welcome. Thank you for joining my stream. Glad to meet you. Hello, hello, everyone. Dear sir, hi, dear sir, welcome. Hopefully, everyone enjoying the stream. And right now, I'm gonna give you detailed explanation about this MGO token. So it is an alpha token. That is what we are gonna discuss very briefly about the project, and full details about the project I would like to share with you. So just stay tuned with me. I will give you a full explanation. Hopefully, everyone will enjoy this. Yeah. Mhm. Okay, so this MGO, I wanted to share with you what this project was, and I will let you know. Just hold a moment. So this project is a multi-VM on omni-chain infrastructure network, secure, modular, and high performance. So here they have a multi-VM omni-chain. Um, we'll see. I think they have many things to discuss about. Yeah, just hold a moment. Okay, so currently, market has also started react sudden positive, guys. I think something bigger is expected. I think so. because during the weekend it's not possible to see the market in a positive sign, and I'm viewing it currently in a positive sign, which is actually a good sign to the market to grab some more profit. And I think a little more big thing is waiting for us. Let's okay, let me continue with this MGO. Later on we'll discuss. So this is a mango network. Okay, hopefully you understood. Yes, sir. Hey, brother. Welcome. Thank you for joining. I will give you detailed clarity on it. So, this is a virtual mesh and omni-chain infrastructure, as I mentioned already. Okay. So, with this, we can start with the multi-VM omni-chain. We can explore many things, and let's explore one by one, and we can start build from this. Okay, so one by one I will tell you. So first, this Mango Omni-chain offers unlimited advantages to you. So which experience unpretended freedom in the Web3 world. New name. Good evening, brother. Welcome. Happy to see everyone in my live page. Okay, as we start to discuss about this Mango Omni-chain. Okay, so here we have this Omni-chain um, advantages. First thing is a omni-chain base. So from this, what you're gonna get? So it's of course you can get a native experience on any chain from that. Okay, that's the first thing you can get from this. And next, it is of course aggregate liquidity. So max that will helpful to maximize the liquidity efficiency. And next, we have a trusted cross chain which seamlessly connect to other decentralized assets through the Mango cross chain protocol for secure and reliable services. That also possible with that. Okay. And next, with the composability and interoperability, so non rebashing assert with the composable use cases with the Jeffy ecosystem that is possible from this. Okay, so these are the projects available in a crypto, and recently the alpha coins are trending. Yeah, that everyone get to know. So we also always wanted to be in a trend to follow up with that. Okay, that is very important. And also you can notice there is a sudden increase is happening towards the market, and if it turns to a bigger positive, it might be so better, but we all into the bigger depth, and we are in a wix. Actually, I'm in a wix because the invested price still it's dropping. I'm not seeing any pump on it, and I wanted that some more bigger pump very sooner. Um, let's see, because the time we waited for the all season is keep on getting delayed. That we have to make it happen so soon as soon as possible, and I'm waiting for it. Let's hope for the best. Okay. Okay, so this composability and interoperability with non-rebasing are certain composable use cases with the DeFi ecosystem. So you can use the safest, most efficient, and versatile cross-chain interoperability paths while saving handling fees. So Mango's new chain wide architecture infrastructure, which giving you from the list of assets which transfer in and with the cross chain, and as from the validator side, offline multi signature verification will happen, and it will transfer to the validator. So validators might be the bigger, the count of validators will be higher, right? So everyone will, it will send to the validators, and of course the verification part, if the verification passed, it will send to the code minting contract. And also if the verification is passed, it will turn to a token burning black hole. So next, code minting contract, after that it will get into the casting. So then it will be converted to the transfer in as a cross chain. So this is the alpha tokens that we can easily remember from that. Okay. Okay. So multi-VM omni chain infrastructure network, it integrates core advantages of OpStack and Mu language, which supports both EVM and Mu VM. Okay, both it is support. We'll see one by one, and I'm trying to clarify you from the market situations as much I can. Una patada, ముక్కలకు కట్టేచిందయాడే తందాన్ని తందాన్ని கூறுவதும் இடமெல்லாம் వెళ్ళిపోరా யார் மனதில் கூட கட்ட வேறையோரடே இந்த வண்ணமெல்லாம் புது புது கோலம் படிக்கவே தந்தானே தந்தானே. Okay, so the network could be a little bit confusing to share with you, because I don't want to you get deeper into the like architecture. I don't want to give you deeper insights into that. Just we will learn about it very selectively. We will learn from that. Okay, that is important. I will share you. So here we can see that architectures, right? Um, yeah, so this is what that if you able to understand, you for sure you can. So not everyone, this is not necessary for everyone to learn what is going to happen from that, but I wanted to give you the clarity on that. Okay, so based on the most powerful underlying code, there is a unrivaled speed you're gonna get, because the DDoS, you can see that DDoS consumes modular parallel multi-threaded, that comes with the extensible features also. And safety is first and foremost. So smart contract, static innovation, asset object transfer, formal validation to test and improve the contract reliability. Okay, and next row we have the user centric. So the core open source community autonomy, resource objects oriented, chain wide application, which is a convenient cross chain bridge operation. Okay, that is what with the user centric. And this is powered by secure, modular, and high performance Web3 infrastructure for developers as well for the user. Just remember it. Okay, so with this modular blockchain, there is a sovereignty guarantees here. I will give you clarity on what I'm talking about the sovereignty. So, which is despite using other layers, a Mango modular blockchain can be a sovereign as a layer one. So, this allows a blockchain to respond to hacks and push upgrades without any underlying permissions in essence. So, sovereign blockchains retain the ability of social consumers to make a critical decision. So, which is one of the most important aspects of blockchain as a social coordination mechanism. Okay. பார்த்த நொடிகள் நீ பார்த்த கேட்டாலும் வருமா கேட்காத வரமா இது போதுமா இல்லை அவசரமா இன்னும் வேண்டும் தரும் புது சகம் 146. Hi, 146. CHI. Hello, brother. Welcome. Thank you, everyone, for joining my stream and supporting me today. Happy to see you, everyone. Okay. So, next we have that launch new blockchains efficiently and cost efficiently. Sorry, cost effectively. That's important, right? So, since a Mango model blockchain does not need to handle all functionality, new blockchains can simply use the existing modular blockchains for the components they wish to offload. This allows for the efficient bootstrapping of new blockchains, reducing the deployment time and minimizing the cost. And next, we have the scalability, which returning to the most essential issue here. I will let you know why it is being the most issue that we are noticing. I will tell you. Ekber, hi Ekber, welcome. Marhaba, but I don't understand what it is. Okay, welcome. Right. So, which is scalability? That's we are talking, right? Which is returning to the most essential issue, because it's solving the scalability problem without sacrificing security and decentralization, because it's a major reason for prompting the modular development of a blockchain. So the model blockchains are not limited by having to handle all functions. Just by splitting them into multiple layers, scaling can be achieved without sacrificing security and decentralization, isn't it? So if you face any audio issue or video issue, please let me know in the comments, dears. Okay, and as how much it is the market is recovered, and the same way it is dropping again, it's a sideways actually. Okay. So the thing, we don't want to sacrifice the security or decentralization, everything, right? So this enables a sustainable blockchain scalability compatible with the decentralized multi-chain environments. Okay. Okay, so the validators part, I already talked about the validators, and for the Ethereum also we have the validators, the proof of stake mechanism. What other projects comes under the proof of stake mechanism? All the projects have this validator concept. So this validators, for this Mango, they have full details about the validators, and also we can get into the foundation of this, because applicants can apply for one of the suggested categories from this, and developing tools and frameworks that they are uh, provided. Okay, so and some more career opportunities also they have offered, that we will discuss one by one from the project MGO. வருவதே வருவதே ஒரே பார்வையாலே உலகமே வருவதே உன்னை பார்த்ததால். சொக்கித்தானே போகிறேன் நானும் ரொம்ப நாளா. வங்கக்கடல் ஆழம் என்று வந்தவர் கண்டதென்று அன்பு கடல் ஆழம் யாரும் கண்டதில்லை. எனக்கென வந்த தேவதை சரிபாதி நீ அல்லவா, நடக்கையில் உம்மன் கூட வரும் நிழல் போலே நான் உங்கள் கொண்ட சீதையன. Okay, so this programming model will discuss. Okay, so the resource oriented programming, which Mo has been specifically enhanced for financial, social, and gaming scenarios. Introducing the resource oriented programming, and the pure static language is next model. The Mango Mo adopts a completely static implementation to ensure the security of assets on the chain. And third is formal verification. So Wishmu comes with the formal verification tool that can use a mathematical means to test and to the reliability of the contract. And the decentralized storage, which Mu uses resources to decentrally store data under each user's account to ensure data security and truly realize that the data ownership belongs to the user and the contract owner can't modify the data. Okay, so and also Mango Muko design thought, which ensuring the security of smart contracts from the bottom up, according to slow missed previous report. The blockchain security indicates incidents in 2021 caused losses of more than 9.8 billion US dollars. So as an emerging programming language, Mu language has also made breakthroughs in security at different levels and innovation. And with this, we have some more types what from this their core part of design that I will discuss. Just hold a moment. அன்பு கடலாழம் யாரும் கண்டதில்லை, எனக்கென வந்த தேவதை சரிபாதி நீ அல்லவா, நடக்கையில் உந்தன் கூட வரும் நிழல் போலே நான் கொண்ட சீதையும். எனக்கு வீடு இல்லை, உரறியவனுக்கு மாலையிட்ட பிறகும் ஏமா சஞ்சலம், உன்னுடைய மனசும் என்னுடைய மனசும் ஒன்றாய் செல். Okay, so yes, let me continue, guys. So as I informed about this move, we have some code design thoughts from that, which we have a borrowing semantics. So Mango Move draws on the borrowing mechanism of the Rust language to pass objects by reference instead of by value. And we have a linear type. Mango Move follows the concept of linear types similar to unique pointers in a C++. Third function, which they will determine a function call at compile time. Okay, during the compiling time itself, they have a determined function call path. So in a move, all function calling paths are determined at compile time, and move does not support the dynamic calling of other functions or callback mechanisms. Okay, and the limited external interaction, which moves small contracts mainly communicate with the outside world by interacting with the global variables or global state. Yeah. Mhm. கண்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதம், பொன்மணி உன் வீட்டில் சௌக்கியமா, நான் இங்கு சௌக்கியமே, உன்னை எண்ணி பார்க்கையில் கவிதை கொட்டுது, அதை எழுத நினைக்கையில் வார்த்தை முற்றுது. ஆஹா, അഭിരാമി താലാട്ടും സമയം പെരിയുമ്പ. Okay, so let me continue. So with this final function, which is a limited external interaction. So from this, that more smart contracts mainly communicate with the outside world by interacting with the global variables or the global state. So this Mango's formal verification system, this the invariant of the structure allows a complex structure to have a multiple fields. So in the structure, there will be a relationship between different fields. So the invariant of the structure allows the relationship between different fields make a provision for the relationship which is beyond the reach of the current type of system, and that is what they are trying to talk about this. Okay, so in this current live stream, we are keep on discussing about the mango. Um, yeah, you can see that all the stuffs we are saying here, and to build anything. So here, built for Web3, built for scalability on 10 assets, everything we can see. So built for Web3, which is Mango aims to be the most accessible smart contract platform, empowering the developers to create the great user experience is in a Web3 to ensure in the next billion users. So Mango empowers the developers with the various tools to take an advantage of the power of the Mango blockchain. So the Mango development kit will enable developers to build without boundaries. And next they have a scalability. So Mango scales horizontally to meet the demands of applications. So network capacity grows in proportion to the increase in Mango validators processing power by adding workers, resulting in low gas fee even during high network traffic. So this scalability characteristics is in a sharp contrast to other blockchains with a recurrent bottlenecks. And finally, it's the on-chain assets. So rich on-chain assets enable a new applications and economics based on utility without relying slowly on artificial scarcity. So developers can implement a dynamic NFTs that you can upgrade, bundle, and group in application-specific manner. So such as changes in avatars and customizable items based on gameplay. So this capability delivers a stronger in-game economics as NFT behavior. So it gets fully reflected on chain, making NFTs more valuable and delivering more engaging feedback loops. Okay. So I think I try to explain this project, and we have the Candy Drop option available in a Gate Exchange. Don't miss out the Candy Drop because it's something you're gonna get just by participating here. And the Candy Drop is not only for the MGO. So the best um, thing is BTC. And still, we have 12 days to participate because if you enter the BTC, then you are going to receive a bigger amount of reward because you can see if you complete the first um yeah, if you complete the first task, which is trading futures and trading volume worth of $50,000, if you complete, you're gonna receive one candy worth of 0.0013 BTC, which is really a bigger amount as well. You can complete the task here also. It's a newcomer invitation task. If you complete this, you're gonna get 0.002 BTC, which is the bigger amount, nearly $200. Likewise, the reward is for that category. So don't miss out that category. You'll be get more rewards if you participated there. Okay. So hopefully you guys enjoy this live stream and thanks so much for joining this live. We'll see you in upcoming streams by tomorrow. And happy weekend, everyone. Happy to see you everyone. Thank you, everyone. Bye.